How to unarchive a story on Instagram. This tutorial shows you how to restore any archived story back to your profile on your Android device. First, open the Instagram app on your Android device. After that, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right of the screen. From there, tap the three horizontal lines at the top right corner to open the menu. At this point, tap on Archive from the list of options. In the next step, you'll be taken to your Stories archive, where all your past stories are stored. Following this, scroll through and find the story you want to unarchive. Once done, tap on the story to open it. From here, tap the three dots at the bottom right corner of the story to open the Options menu. At this stage, tap on Share as Post to restore it back to your profile. After this, you'll be taken to the sharing screen where you can add a caption, tags, or location before posting. Once completed, tap Share to publish it back to your profile grid. Finally, head over to your profile to confirm that the story has been successfully restored and is now visible as a post. And that's it. If this Instagram guide helped you restore your archived stories back to your profile, give it a like. Subscribe for more Instagram tutorials and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.